Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to explore the world of rice Malay cuisine. This unique and flavorful culinary tradition originates from the Malay Peninsula, which includes Malaysia, Singapore, and parts of Thailand. So, let's dive right in and discover the deliciousness of rice Malay cuisine. First off, let's talk about the staple ingredients of rice Malay cooking. Rice is the foundation of every meal, and it's often served with a variety of side dishes. These dishes are typically a mix of meat, seafood, and vegetables, all cooked in a variety of delicious sauces. One of the most popular dishes in rice Malay cuisine is nasi lemak. This scrumptious dish features rice cooked in coconut milk and pandan leaf, served with a side of spicy sambal, fried anchovies, and hard-boiled eggs. Another must-try dish is nasi goreng, which is fried rice cooked with a variety of meats, seafood, and vegetables. When it comes to meat dishes, rice Malay cuisine is all about the grill. Satay is a popular street food dish, featuring skewers of grilled meat served with a spicy peanut sauce. Another favorite is ayam goreng, or fried chicken, which is often served with a variety of sides. Seafood is also a big part of rice Malay cuisine. One of the most popular dishes is ikan bakar, or grilled fish, which is often served with a variety of sides. Another favorite is laksa, a spicy noodle soup that's packed with flavor. Finally, let's talk about dessert. One of the most popular treats in rice Malay cuisine is kuih, which are small, bite-sized sweets made from a variety of ingredients. Another favorite is durian, a fruit that's known for its strong, pungent flavor. And there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to the delicious world of rice Malay cuisine. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the flavors of the Malay Peninsula, and I can't wait to share more food adventures with you in the future. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious food content. Until next time, happy eating!